Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the last colligative property, that is osmotic pressure. So, to understand osmotic pressure, we first have to know what is osmosis and what is semi-permeable membrane. So, student, osmosis is simply the movement of solvent particle from lower concentration to higher concentration. And semi-permeable membrane is simply the membrane which allow only solvent molecule to flow and not the solute particles. What I am saying, just see in the figure. Suppose we are taking two solutions of different concentration and we are separating them with a semi permeable membrane. So as I said, semi-permeable membrane allow only solvent particle to move. Suppose here is a solution and here is also the other solution. Here are two solute particles and here there are four solute particles. So its concentration is low and its concentration is high. So what is osmosis? The solvent particle will move from lower concentration to higher concentration. Okay, and solute particles will not move. This is osmosis. But we are talking about osmotic pressure. So what osmotic pressure is? Here external pressure or the minimum exerted pressure which break or stop osmosis is called osmotic pressure. Okay, that is, suppose when solvent particle is moving from lower concentration to higher concentration, there comes a condition when the pressure here is above the pressure here, that is osmotic pressure will increase here, or there will be exert osmotic pressure and it will stop osmosis. This is all about osmotic pressure. Now as we are discussing about colligative property, so from them we use these to calculate molecular weights or sometime direct relation is asked. So osmotic pressure is denoted by P or pi. Osmotic pressure is calculated as P is equal to CRT. Here C is a concentration, so concentration is equal to N by V. We are putting the values of C, so P is equal to N by VRT and we know PV is equal to nRT or pi V is equal to nRT if we are taking osmotic pressure as pi. Now calculation of molecular weight of solute from osmotic pressure. So as we know the relation, that is P is equal to CRT or P is equal to N by VRT, and we know N is number of moles. Number of moles is calculated as given mass upon molecular mass or molecular weight. So we are putting the values here. P is equal to W by M, RT by V, and now we have to calculate the molecular weight. So molecular weight can be calculated as WRT by PV. So this is about osmotic pressure and calculation of molecular weight of solute from osmotic pressure.